Welcome back to the I Want to Learn English writing journey for beginners. In Activity 2, we're learning about the important use of the comma. This little thing is a comma, and it is super important in grammar. Where you place it can change the meaning of a sentence dramatically. For example, I like cooking, baseball cards, and video games.
Huh?
If we don't use commas for this sentence, then people might think I like to throw baseball cards and video game consoles into a giant pot and cook them for dinner. But when I put the commas in the right place, it changes the meaning completely. I like cooking, baseball cards, and video games. There, that's much better. Now look at the sentence examples in Activity 2 in the textbook. Listen and repeat. I like apples, bananas, and oranges. Notice where the commas are. Yes, there are two commas. One separates apples from bananas, and the other separates bananas from and. Awesome. Listen and repeat the next sentence. My friend, who is very tall, plays basketball. Here we have two commas as well. However, these commas are separating one statement from the rest of the sentence. It is like this person is telling us something separate from the rest of the sentence. See, you can take out who is very tall, and you would still have a sentence. My friend plays basketball. But the detail of who is very tall gives you another image, another important detail to help you understand the sentence better. We call this context, but that's a lesson for another day. Let's continue. Look at the grammar practice. There are 5 sentences. The directions read, place commas where they belong. Okay, let's jump right into number 1. First, we eat dinner. Then, we will watch a movie. So here we have 2 separate sentences, and we are going to use a comma to join them. We take out the period and replace it with a comma. Now the sentence reads more smoothly. First we eat dinner, then we will watch a movie. Excellent. Let's look at number 2. It reads, I have a cat, a dog, and a bird. So this sentence is very much like the very first example we looked at with apples, bananas, and oranges. Here we use commas to separate a cat, a dog, and a bird. There. That's much better. Now look at number 3. Pause the video here and place the commas where you think they go. All right. So we have 3 things we need to separate. First, there is a statement being made. I have 3 brothers, comma. Then are introduced to those brothers, Mike, comma, Tony, comma, and Johnny. How did you do? If you got them all correct, that is excellent. Just keep in mind we are learning. Okay, now let's look at number 4. Pause the video here and see if you can place the commas in the right place. Let's take a look and see if you got it correct. She likes pepperoni, comma, mushrooms, comma, and sausage on her pizza. If you missed something, stop the video and make your corrections. We are moving right along. Let's look at number 5. Pause the video here and place the commas in the right places. Okay, let's see how you did. Susanna has a bicycle, comma, a scooter, comma, and a motorcycle in her garage. Only 2 commas in this sentence. If you got it right, excellent work. If you need to make corrections, stop the video and fix your error before we move on. Okay, I have a good feeling you are making excellent progress. Let's look at the directions. It reads, look at the following sentences. They all have commas in the wrong place. Rewrite the sentences and place commas where they belong. Let's do number 1 together, shall we? Look closely at the sentence. It says, I like apples, oranges, and bananas for a healthy snack. Well, we can already see the commas are in the wrong place because this sentence is almost the same as the very first example we worked on. Here we move the commas after apple and oranges. That wasn't so hard, right? You are doing fine, so let's continue. Look at number 2. Pause the video now and rewrite the sentences with the commas placed correctly. When you are finished, start the video back up and I will reveal the correct answer. How did you do? If you need to pause the video again to make corrections, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, let's move on to number 3. Please grab a cup of coffee, a donut, and some napkins. Pause the video and rewrite this sentence, placing the commas in the right place. All right, so here's the correct way to write number 3. Did you get it right? Great. But if you need to make a correction, pause the video and fix your errors. Now go ahead and do numbers 4 and 5. Pause the video and hit play once you are done to check your answers. Okay, take a look at numbers 4 and 5. If you got them right, fantastic. If you need to make corrections, that's fine as well. You can stop the video and fix those errors. I hope you are better now at placing commas in the right place in sentences. If you would like me to go over commas some more and give more practice, leave me a comment and I will get some more practice going for you. We've got plenty more for this textbook writing journey for beginners. If you still don't have your copy of the textbook, click the link in the description or visit our website, iwtle.com, and get your copy to get the full experience. Until next time, keep practicing your writing skills.